Hi, my name is Jordan. Breelers, currently naririnig natin, nakikita natin sa social media, pinag-uusapan ng netizen, yung tungkol kay Andre who happens to be a drag queen at anak ng former sex bomb dancer na si IZ. Well, bakit kailangan natin makasawsaw tulad ni OG Diaz? Kasi dito sa Transform Media PH, yung mission talaga natin is to encourage people to be their authentic selves. So, naiintindihan ko si Andre. And at the same time, galing din kasi ako dun sa religious group ni IZ. Kaya I both understand these parties. I'd like to share with you my thoughts about it. Una, it's really good for Andre to know himself. At least hindi mo na kailangang itago, masuppress yung tunay na emosyon mo, lalo na yung artistry o yung craft mo sa pag-drag. It's good that you also said na you no longer want to fully express yourself. Now, ang suggestion ko is, if you are at a space where you could live on your own without really expecting your parents, particularly your mom, to support you, sige, go ahead. Pursue that. Just make sure lang na when you choose to be one, make sure lang to be responsible pa din. I mean, being a drag queen is really good. It's a self-expression. But just make sure not to cross the line between too aggressive o kaya minsan wala na sa lugar. Think about all these things first before you do that. Now, punta tayo sa mother niya na si IZ. Naiintindihan ko si IZ, especially that she has a very strong faith. And I appreciate that. That's her own authenticity. Nagkataon lang kasi sa sitwasyon na ito, yung anak tsaka yung magulang or yung mom to be exact, ay magkaiba ng authenticity. Yung isa is all about sexuality while the other one is about her faith. Again, nothing is wrong with them. It's just that nagka-clash na ngayon sila. For IZ, the only thing that you can do really is just to provide guidance, hopefully tanggapin nung anak mo. I could only hope na eventually you'll also understand where your son or Andre is coming from. This is really beyond religion. This is beyond our religious practices. It's about who we really are as a person. And that really requires more than tolerance, but more of acceptance kung sino talaga yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. Mas maganda naman na siguro yon na tanggapin natin sila as long as they're properly guided at hindi sila nakakasakit ng ibang tao or hindi sila kumukuha ng mga bagay na pagmamayari ng ibang tao. Please continuously guide si Andre sa proseso ng buhay niya na to. Lalo na ngayon, ang dami ng sumasakay, ang dami ng nakikiride dun sa nangyayari sa inyong mag-ina. Never ridicule him in public. Sana sa inyong dalawa na lang din. That way, mamatay na rin yung issues na meron kayo. At para naman, isama ko na rin si OG Diaz na nakikisawsaw din, respect kay IZ, dun sa faith niya. Yes, you might think na she's hypocrite for not treating her son equally. Irespeto na lang din natin kung ano yung nangyayari dun sa mag-ina. Huwag na nating dagdagan pa at palakihin pa yung issue. The truth is, itong mga ganitong sitwasyon, it's never good to be dealt publicly. Mas magkakaintindihan sila kung sila mismo face-to-face yung nag-uusap about their situation. And I don't think that this will be fixed right away. It takes time. Yung healing process ni Andre at saka ni IZ, magiging matagal yan. Hihintayin na lang po natin. Kung kanino kang kampo, you support them, but please wag na natin pag-awayan yung mag-ina. And with that, again, my name is Jordan. I just recently embraced my authenticity. That's why I no longer want to see other people being suppressed. Ayoko na yung makokontrol tayo ng ibang tao dahil lamang sa kagustuhan nila or sa influence na meron sila over us. But the thing is, because we're embracing full freedom, again, please be responsible. Breelers, mag-like and share naman din natin itong content na to at i-like, subscribe niyo po kami. Transform Media PH, we are in different platforms. Thank you!